Recording partial payments. Scroll down to Payments and Delivery and click on Partial. Enter the current amount to be paid by the customer. In this case, my customer is paying 20 cedis out of the 35 cedis. Click to select the date you want to be reminded for the rest of the payment. Check the Remind Me box and then select exactly when you want to see the reminder notification. Scroll down and click Save. Now you know the exact amount your customer has to pay. Click Waiting to see all payments pending and then click Remind Customer to send payment notification to customer. Decide and choose whether you want to remind customer via WhatsApp or SMS. In this case, I will use SMS. Click the send icon to send the message to the customer. You made it! Your partial payment and payment reminder has been carried out successfully. Thank you.